central sector scheme of Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It provides opportunity to the student youth of 11th and 12th class of schools at +2 board level and student youth of technical institutions, graduates and postgraduates in colleges and university level of India to take part in various government-led community service activities and programs. The sole aim of NSS is to provide hands-on experience to the young students in delivering community service. The NSS VBIT is formed in the year 2007.
Dyuthi, the official NSS unit of VBIT, is a body that is service-oriented. We run for the greater good of the people around us. We serve as an example for the humanity and work for the welfare of society. In this forum, we conduct various campaigns like blood donation camp, awareness program, village visit. The main aim of the village visit is to know the impacts of various factors in unorganized retail sector of village and to spread the awareness among the villagers on the ban of plastic. Recently, we have done volunteering for the orientation program conducted by the college management for the freshers.
We, the team of NSS, are planning to conduct various awareness programs related to corona, traffic rules, etc. And we are planning to conduct events related to clean and green environment, and also we are planning to conduct 1 week NSS camp.
So National Service Scheme encourages students to perform various social activities because there is no higher religion than human service. We are very grateful and thankful to the faculty who supported us so far, and we are looking forward for many more events like this. Thank you.